Hello guys! Welcome to this another lesson for Civil Service Exam. General information na naman tayo at i-discuss natin ang environment management and protection with practical test. But before anything else, i-discuss ko muna kung ano-ano ang ating major environmental laws here in the Philippines. Kasi maaaring lumabas din ito sa Civil Service Exam. This is for both professional and sub-professional levels. Increase your chances of passing kaya may review tips ako para sa'yo. Number 1, read and comprehend. So when you study, basahin at unawain talaga at mas magandang isulat mo din halimbawa mga keywords lang para mas madali mong matandaan. Another one, have a summary or key points pagkatapos mo pag-aralan ang topic. Mas maigi kung isusulat din para yun na lang ang i-review mo. Okay, so ano-ano nga ba ang major environmental laws natin? Kapag sinabing major, ibig sabihin pinaka-importante o pinaka-makabuluhan. We have 5 major environmental laws. The first one, Republic Act number 6969, the Toxic Substances, Hazardous and Nuclear Waste Control Act of 1990. This law aims to regulate the restriction o paghigpit and prohibit meaning pagbawal, the importation o pag-aangkat, paggawa, pagproseso, pamamahagi at pagtapon ng mga chemical na sangkap na maaaring mapanganib sa kalusugan ng tao. Ganon din ang hazardous and nuclear waste. Para mas maintindihan, halimbawa toilet cleaners. Ang ibang toilet cleaners na yan ay may halong ammonia. Ang ammonia ay isang toxic substance. Substance meaning sangkap, di ba? Ang ammonia ay isang toxic o chemical na sangkap na nakahalo sa toilet cleaners natin as it helps to clean our toilet. So yun ang positive effects niya, ang linisin ang mga banyo natin. However, may negative effects ito sa ating kalusugan. So this is an illustration. Pwede ding maapektuhan ang ating pagkain at ang ating paligid. Maraming toxic substances hindi lang sa ating bahay, pati na din sa mga natapong ibang kemikal o yung galing sa mga malalaking pabrika. That is why may batas tayo na kinokontrol ang paggawa, pagproseso at pagbahagi ng mga ito dahil sa mga negatibong dulot nito sa atin. Okay, sana naintindihan nyo? Itong hazardous at nuclear waste naman ay ang halimbawa nito ay fire extinguisher. For example, itatapon mo na, hindi mo na kailangan. It is already considered as a hazardous and nuclear waste na kapag hindi na-dispose properly ay maaaring maging sanhi ng pagka-leak ng mga hazardous chemicals nito na maaaring mahalo sa hangin, tubig at maging sa pagkain natin na magdudulot din ng harmful effects sa ating kalusugan. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, ang mga kemikal na ito ay hindi lang makikita sa ating bahay, ito ay present kahit saan. Ibig sabihin kahit sino ay pwedeng maapektuhan. Next environmental law is the Republic Act number 7586, the National Integrated Protected Area System or shortly called NIPAS Act of 1992. It aims to protect forest, wetland, and marine areas in the Philippines, and it penalizes o pinarurusahan ang sino mang involved sa ecological destruction ng mga areas na ito. And take note guys, that there are 234 protected areas under this act. The categories of protected areas are strict nature reserve, natural park, natural monument, wildlife sanctuary, protected landscapes and seascapes, resource reserve, natural biotic areas, and other categories established by law. Ang mga categories na ito ay makikita sa Section 3 ng RA 7586. Next, Republic Act number 8749, the Philippine Clean Air Act of 1999. This aims to achieve and maintain healthy air for all Filipinos and to encourage o hikayatin ang mga mamamayan na bawasan ang mga gawain na nagdudulot ng polusyon sa hangin. Katulad ng halimbawa paninigarilyo, smokers or air pollutants na hindi lang ang sarili nila ang naaapektuhan, pati na din ang mga taong nakapaligid sa kanila. Next, ang Republic Act number 9003, the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000. This aims to ensure waste reduction, proper segregation, collection, transport, and disposal of our solid waste. So in general, no, it focuses on solid waste management program. So kapag sinabing solid waste, ibig sabihin ito ay mga basurang maaaring galing sa ating tahanan, sa mga establishments o commercials. Halimbawa ng solid waste ay organic waste katulad ng leftovers, rotten fruits, and more. Dry waste katulad ng plastic cups or wrappers, canned goods, and rubbers. Reject waste katulad ng diapers, bandages, at iba pa. Next is the Republic Act number 9275, the Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004. It aims to protect the country's water bodies from pollution from land-based sources such as industries and commercial establishments, agriculture, and community or household activities. Hindi lang ang pamahalaan ang may tungkulin, kundi tayo din na panatilihing malinis ang yamang tubig na meron tayo, katulad na lang ng pagtapon ng ating basura sa tamang tapunan at hindi kung saan-saan dahil ang mga basurang ito ay pwedeng mapunta sa ating karagatan. So that's it for the Philippines major environmental laws. Let's proceed now to our practical test. Directions: choose the best answer. Number 1, it is the practice of organizing human activities in order to limit their impact on the natural environment. 1. Conservation of resources. 2. Waste reduction. 3. Community development. 4. Environmental management. Or 5. Air pollution control program. The correct answer is environmental management. So, explain ko din itong ibang choices. The conservation of resources is a way of protecting our natural resources to prevent resource depletion. Waste reduction from the word itself reduce, which simply means reducing waste by using less materials. Community development refers to the growth of these people's interest in shared a common human value. Itong air pollution control program focuses solely on controlling air pollution. Dito kasi sa statement, it states generally the impact of human activities. Ibig sabihin, impact din si water at land pollution, hindi lang si air. So this makes the option 4 the correct answer because environmental management is general in concept. Next, a world-renowned Filipino ecologist and biologist who is behind the invention of artificial coral reefs to be used for fisheries in Southeast Asia. 1. Angel Alcala. 2. Gina Lopez. 3. Jami Ungab. 4. Vincent Perez. Or 5. Dr. Emily Espiritu. The correct answer is Angel Alcala. Actually, all of these people listed have their own contributions in our environment. Let me discuss them each. Gina Lopez, who would have forgot the one and only Gina Lopez, a Filipino environmentalist and an eco-warrior who dedicate herself in protecting our natural resources. And she served as the Secretary of DENR, or the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, during the Duterte administration. Jami Ungab is the woman behind the Plastic Free Bohol. This is a movement that aims to eliminate plastic pollution in Central Visayas by conducting regular cleanups. Vincent Perez established a sustainable power organization which gives clean energy through sunlight base. And Dr. Emily Espiritu is known as a pioneer in the area of ecotoxicology in the Philippines. Her exploration in microplastics leads to expel plastic waste and to create biodegradable plastic. Alright, so next, it is defined as the total amount of greenhouse gases produced directly and indirectly support human activities, usually expressed in equivalent tons of carbon dioxide. 1. Climate change. 2. Carbon footprint. 3. Biotic. 4. Renewable energy. Or 5. Heat index. The correct answer is carbon footprint. Lilinawin ko lang po, ang carbon footprint ay hindi literal na footprint ng isang tao, ano? Ibig sabihin nito, ito ay marka na naiiwan natin o nare-release natin sa ating environment because of our human activities. Simple example, when you ride a vehicle, the smoke from it produces carbon dioxide, which mainly contributes to climate change. Climate change, on the other hand, is the shifts in temperature and weather patterns. Biotic means living things or life. Renewable energy derived from natural resources such as sunlight and wind. And the heat index, it is what people feel as the temperature affects their body. Next, blank is the full or large-scale removal of a forest or trees for various purposes. 1. Deforestation. 2. Kaingin. 3. Illegal logging. 4. Wildlife extinction. Or 5. Land mining. The correct answer is deforestation. Kaingin means burning of trees which causes soil erosion. Illegal logging means illegal cutting or over-harvesting of trees in violation of laws. Wildlife extinction is when species are diminished because of the loss of their habitat. And land mining is the process of extracting useful materials from the Earth's surface. Sana nagets iyon. Next number. It is a period of prolonged dryness that can occur anywhere in the world. 1. Flood. 2. Forest fire. 3. Soil erosion. 4. Earthquake. Or 5. Drought. The correct answer is drought. Flood is the complete opposite of drought, which means excessive flow of water. Forest fire is a man-made disaster. Soil erosion means slowly destructing the soil because of human activities, and earthquake is a natural disaster. Next number, it refers to the thinning of the ozone layer present in the upper atmosphere. 1. Ultraviolet radiation, 2. Visible spectrum, 3. Eutrophication, 4. Weather pattern, or 5. Ozone layer depletion. The correct answer is ozone layer depletion. Take note guys, the ozone layer is found in the stratosphere. Next up, number 7, it is an internationally recognized standard for environmental management system. 1. ISO 4226, 2. ISO 6107, 3. ISO 10381, 4. ISO 14001, or 5. ISO 15270. The correct answer is ISO 14001. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. Lahat ng ito ay ISO environmental standards, so itong ISO 4226 is the standard for air quality. ISO 6107 is for water quality, ISO 10381 is for soil quality, and ISO 15270 is the standard for plastics, the guidelines for the recovery and recycling of plastic waste. Next, which of the following is the major cause of coral reef destruction? 1. Sewage pollution, 2. Dynamite fishing, 3. Muroami, 4. Siltation, or 5. Oil spill. Let me make it clear to you ha. Ang tanong ay which of the following is the major cause of coral reef destruction? Kapag sinabing major, ibig sabihin pinaka. Ang coral reef ay tahanan ng mga isda or any aquatic animals. Alin daw sa mga choices ang pinakasanhi ng pagkasira ng mga coral reefs? Actually, all of these are causes of coral reef destruction, pero may major, ibig sabihin yung pinaka sumisira talaga. For me, the correct answer is Muroami. Yung iba ang sagot nila sa ganitong tanong ay dynamite fishing. Yung iba din ang sagot. But listen carefully, i-explain ko muna kung bakit Muroami ang sagot ko dito. Ang Muroami is a fishing technique na kung saan ang mga tao o mga fishers na ito ay sumisisid sa ilalim ng dagat at pinapalibutan ng net or fishing net ang mga coral reefs para mas marami silang huli kasi nga natatrap nila ang mga isda. Ang net na ito ay may mga kasamang malalaking bato na nakakasira talaga sa coral reefs kahit ang net alone ay nakakasira na kasi maaaring mabuhol iyon at kapag hinila at binitad na ay goodbye talaga. That is why Muroami is also called as reef hunting kasi coral reefs talaga yung target nila. This is what Muroami look like. Just imagine how cruel it is. So para sa akin, Muroami is the major cause kaysa dito sa iba kasi directly coral reefs yung punterya nila. I-explain ko din itong iba kasi lahat naman ito ay nakakasira talaga sa coral reefs. Okay? Sewage pollution. Sewage pollution lowers the quality of ocean water, and the quality of water is necessary to the survival of coral reefs. Ibig sabihin, may negative effect din si sewage pollution kay coral reefs, but it's not directly destructing the coral reefs. Pwedeng after months or years, because of the low quality of water, coral reefs will slowly decay and eventually die. Ang hinahanap natin kasi ay major cause, di ba? Though alam na natin ang tamang sagot or feeling ko tamang sagot para sa akin, i-explain ko pa itong ibang choices. Dynamite fishing, cause din ito ng coral reef destruction. Ang kaibahan lang nito, itong explosive device or bomba na ginagamit nila, usually ang effect niya ay sa sea surface lang. Ang ibig kong sabihin, pwedeng meron at pwedeng walang coral reefs na natamaan o naapektuhan sa ilalim ng dagat during sa pagbomba. Kasi ang parang target lang nila ay magtapon ng bomba sa dagat, mamamatay ang mga isda at mas mabilis ang paghuli nila. Kung merong coral reefs sa ilalim ay mapipinsala naman at kung wala ay wala din. Unlike sa Muroami na coral reefs talaga yung target nila. Sana nakuha nyo yung difference, no? Itong siltation ay dulot ng pagguho ng lupa na napupunta sa ilog at karagatan. Katulad din ito ng sewage pollution na lowering the quality of water, and it affects the coral reefs over time. And oil spill, which composes of many chemicals and kill the corals, depende kung gaano kalawak o kung may coral reef sa ilalim nun. Kung iba ang sagot nyo sa sagot ko, pwede kayo mag-comment below, no, para alam ko din baka may iba kayong explanation. Kadalasan ko kasi itong nakikita sa iba't ibang reviewers at iba-iba din ang sagot. Sana nakatulong yung explanation ko. Let's proceed to number 9. Coral reefs are of great importance because they blank. The correct answer is choice 5. They serve as haven for young growing fish and small aquatic animals. Next, last number. What are the primary responsibilities of DENR? The correct answer is choice 1. They are responsible for the conservation, management, and development of the country's environment and natural resources. And that's all for our lesson today. Sana may natutunan kayo sa topic natin na environment management and protection. Good luck sa'yo, future passer. Nawa ay bigyan ka pa ng dagdag kaalaman, lalo na sa mga topics na hindi mo pa masyadong kabisado. Review lang ng review dahil papasa ka. Praise the Lord and thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell button and thumbs up na rin kung nagustuhan nyo. Sana ay nakatulong ako and see you on my next videos. Bye!